Lucky, good sunlight. Just 4 hours to go. మంచి ఎండ, అచ్చా ధూప్, గుడ్ ప్లేస్. Just finished writing, listed on all the food items that I need to eat in Amritsar, because today I'm dedicating to food, which is not my thing, but yeah. 40 minutes to go. Waiting. Amritsar station. Everybody are wearing turban. Most people. Hi guys. So finally मैं आ गया मेरा अमृतसर में रूम के में. तो द थिंग इज़ मुझे रूम नहीं मिला था, द वन दैट आई बुक्ड, बट लकी आई डिड नॉट पे द मनी. सो इवन द ऑटो गाइस हियर आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. थोड़ा कंसर्न दिखाए एंड ही वॉज विथ मी ऑन फाइंडिंग द ओयो रूम, बट वो नहीं मिला. बट ऑन द वे दिस होटल वॉज लुकिंग गुड, तो मैं सोचा ठीक है यही ले लेता हूँ. एंड द प्राइसिंग वॉज डिसेंट. इट्स जस्ट 2000 for 2 nights. Way better than the room in Delhi. Best. This is really good. So 2 दिन मैं इधर ही रहूँगा. Today night, tomorrow night and 29th morning I will move from this place, check out होके. And आज नाइट मैं जाऊँगा अमृतसर का खाना खाऊँगा. ओनली फोकस ऑन फूड नाउ, बिकॉज डाइजेशन का इशू नहीं, बिकॉज वी हैव अ गुड वॉशरूम हियर. एंड उसके बाद कल सुबह सुबह मैं गोल्डन टेम्पल चला जाऊँगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट रेस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस कवर कर दूँगा. एंड दिस इज़ अ नाइस रूम. ओके हाय गाइस. सो फ्रेश अप हो गया आराम से. एंड एक अंदर नया टी शर्ट पहन लिया, नया अंडरवेयर पहन लिया. एंड इज़ द सेम पैंट विच आई विल वेयर टुमारो नाइट ऑल्सो. आज नाइट दूसरा पहनूंगा मैं. एंड आई विल गो आउट, हैव सम क्रेजी फूड, विच समथिंग आई हैव लिस्टेड डाउन ऑल द फूड आइटम्स इन द ट्रेन. वो फोटो लेके अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल कवर ऑल द फूड प्लेसेस. एंड आने के बाद आई विल हैव अ गुड बाथ एंड आई विल वेयर दिस क्लोथ्स. एंड कल सुबह एट अराउंड 3-4 आई विल गो टू गोल्डन टेम्पल स्पेशल दर्शन के लिए. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल सी अदर्स. ओके बाय. एक्चुअली दिस इज़ द आउटफिट, वरना मेरी मम्मी मुझे डांटेगी. ओके This is rum chicken, not rum chicken, it is rum butter. This is stuffed keema kulcha. Amazing. मम्मी के लिए ड्रेस लेके आया. एंड नाउ आई एम वॉकिंग टू दी फिश फ्राई सेंटर विच इज़ फेमस इन अमृतसर. फेमस जलेबी. Bought gifts for mom and Pinny. Now going back to Rome. Day 27, which is day 4. Superb done. Had good food. I'll talk later. Hi guys. So day 27th December, which is day 4, successfully complete हो गया. Around 3:30 I reached Amritsar. और मैं फ्रेश अप वगैरह होके आई started at 5 o'clock just to have food, and I went to 3 different places. 3 अच्छा खाना खाए, and on the way ही I bought few dresses for my mom and my pinny. And कल सुबह will be the journey of exploring all the structures, places, which is Jallianwala Bagh, Golden Temple, Partition Museum and Gobind Dargah Fort. On the way he may try to get a pagdi for me. That's the plan. और कल ही maybe I'll have just a small lunch, क्योंकि now I have my dinner also, which is fish, which is one of the special dish from this place. And yeah, that's for today. I'm again tired. I think आज around 4 kilometers में चला, तो I'll have a good bath. वो कपड़े पहन के उसमें खाना खा के सो जाऊँगा. And tomorrow around 6:30 I'll start from here. So I think I'll wake up at 6 o'clock, क्योंकि मोशन तो anyway नहीं होगा. So 6 o'clock I'll wake up, I'll have a bath, 6:30 को चला जाऊँगा. And I'll reach Golden Temple, because I'll go by walk mostly. It's just 1.5 kilometers. Bye guys. Hi guys. It's around 10 p.m. now, and जो fish मैंने parcel किया था, I'm enjoying it now. It's very delicious, very tasty and tender. गरम गरम खाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहता था. And both the non-veg places are really good. पर वो जलेबी was worst, very bad. Even the driver बताया था कि different another place is famous for jalebi, but I went to a different place and this was very bad. The jalebi उधर ही खा लिया था, very bad. But this fish is so good and tender, very tender. Yeah. My Oyo 28th morning. Hi guys. So मैं ready हो गया. Now I'll be going to Golden Temple in auto. Temperature is around 7 degrees here. बहुत ही ठंडी है. Okay. This is Jallianwala Bagh. Lucky me, there is less crowd. That's Golden Temple. Very peaceful place. మంచిగా ఎండలో కూర్చున్నా గోల్డెన్ టెంపుల్ ముందు. हाय गाइस. तो अभी मैंने लंगर खा के आया, और पीछे जो दिख रहे हो, द एंटायर प्लेस इज dedicated to langar preparation. They gave very good food, very nice, delicious, and they have groups of people, like this particular set of people for particular work. Everything is well organized. बहुत अच्छा है, nice. There is Jallianwala Bagh, the dead end में. And here is our temple. इसके पीछे Jallianwala Bagh. So this entire place is Jallianwala Bagh, where around 1500 people were dead within few minutes. And this is the well where few people who wanted to just survive jumped into this.
ਖਾਲੀ ਖੂਹ ਸੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਛਾਲਾਂ
This is the well. A big well. Bullet holes.
चलो मानसी
So this entire place is Jallianwala Bagh, and those Britishers, they came here and they shot, they lined up here and they shot everybody. This is like a closed space, everything is closed. I mean, like, it's a closed space, so there was no place to escape for them. So few people, they jumped into the well which is there, and few people tried to jump the walls, which wasn't possible, but ultimately they were trapped, and this was the only exit for them, but they were all the Britishers here. Big tragedy. Just because of a large gathering, this Dyer guy did this. Partition Museum, third place. Hi guys. तो सुबह around 6:37 I started to Amritsar. Sorry, not to Amritsar, to Golden Temple. It was beautiful. बहुत ही अच्छा था. There was a moment where I felt like, for a small second, I felt like I need to convert to Sikh. हाँ, इतना अच्छा था. And after that, I also went to eat langar. वो भी delicious था, very good and completely free. And also I got this, and also 2 souvenirs मेरे हाथ में हैं. उसके बाजू ही there is Jallianwala Bagh. That is also very nice. Sad moment, but the way everything was showcased अच्छा था. And after that मैं गया पार्टीशन म्यूजियम. इट वॉज टू मच ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, बस देखने के लिए कम था, बट लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ केस स्टडीज ऑफ पीपल. तो वो पूरा देख के एंड माई लेग्स बहुत दुख रहे थे, एंड ऑल्सो आई नीड टू क्लीन माई स्टमक एंड ऑल्सो remove this and wear my glasses for good place which is गोविंद दरगाह फोर्ट, क्योंकि अच्छा सन भी आ गया. नो नीड टू हैव दिस स्वेटर. सो आई थोड़ा चेंज होके थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लेके 1 hour आई मूव टू गोविंद दरगाह फोर्ट. एंड नो आई गो टू दिस ढाबा प्लेस टू हैव फूड, गुड फूड. उधर से मैं चला जाऊँगा टू गोविंद दरगाह फोर्ट. And also in between, after Amritsar, I also had one kulfi and from naan rabdi. हाँ. Last place to visit in Solo Tip 3, Gobind Dargah Fort. I think I have visited this at the best time. This was majorly developed by Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who is the first Maharaja of Sikh Empire. And there's a difference between Maharaja and Guru. This is orange tree or sweet lemon, I don't know, but ऐसा है. Crazy. सनसेट हो रहा है एंड माय डे इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डन और बस एक लस्सी बाकी है. So basically this Gobind Dargah fort not only is just for seeing this fort, but they also have few activities like horse riding and vintage car riding, and also they have a 7D theater, and also they have a museum, 2-3 of them. So it's combination of many things which surprised me. Now I'll show you how big the fort is. मेरे पीछे जो भी देख रहे हो, it's entirely the fort. There is live music also, like there are performers who are performing. Oh, hi guys, successfully completed third solo trip. Successfully ये भी हो गया without much bad experiences or bad कुछ deviation from the itinerary. थोड़ा हुआ है which is Patiala visiting, but चलेगा. I think it was very worthy visiting, I mean staying in Amritsar for 2 days. But yeah, जो भी आज देखना था देख लिया. All the 4 places, which is Jallianwala Bagh, Partition Museum, Golden Temple, and also the Gobind Dargah Fort. I've done. I think I have visited 6 different places for foods and deserts. But पूरा खत्म हो गया. Done. Very tired. पैर दुख रहे मेरे. And think I need to sit in the washroom for 1 more hour. बस पैर पानी में डाल के ऐसा रह जाऊंगा. And that's it. I'll just sleep. And next day 6:30 I have my flight. तो मैं 5:30 को इधर से शुरू हो जाऊंगा. No, 5 o'clock को शुरू हो जाऊंगा. It's just 20 minutes away, the airport. Yeah. 1 hour guys. 1 hour I was in bathroom just listening to songs and just enjoying the hot water. Unlimited hot water is supply. I just was relaxing. बाहर it's around 8 to 9 degrees of temperature और अंदर मैं आराम से 1 घंटा enjoying. मज़ा तो आ गया. I'm telling you, anybody do it. ठीक है. और ये पूरा मेरा बैग है. मैं इसको पूरा सेटिंग करके पैक करके रख दूँगा क्योंकि सुबह I'll just wake up, book the Uber and चला जाऊँगा to the airport. And that's it guys.
6 degrees.
Crazy guys. The first guy booked, उसका टायर पंचर हो गया, and second guy उसका गाड़ी कुछ ख़राब हो गया, and I'm nowhere now. Booked Uber once again, and time is around 5 o'clock. My flight is at 6:35 a.m. and it's still 15-20 minutes journey. पता नहीं क्या होगा जाने के बाद. No self check-in baggage. Time is 5:30 now. Flight at 6:35. They said it's okay. Latest news guys. So I have a flight to Delhi और Delhi से हैदराबाद है. But the flight now which is to Delhi is at 6:35 and वो delay हो गया. So what they did is they gave me a direct flight to Hyderabad from Amritsar, but it's at 10:15 a.m. in the morning. Now the time is around 6 o'clock. I need to wait around 3.5 hours, and I have a direct flight to Hyderabad. That's a good thing क्योंकि मैं फिर से दिल्ली में वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा and that pollution. So yeah, full delay.